MD proudly introduces the innovative Stealth Kit. The Stealth has become our flagship accessory and is our most popular and best-selling unit. Just look at all the tools you'll receive with your new Stealth. And your Stealth is compatible with any make of central vacuum system. The Super Quiet Stealth is the industry's best brush head accessory. Your Stealth's integrated circuitry protects the motor and belt from overload and monitors brush height automatically. And the sealed bearing roller brush is rated for over a decade of regular use. Our lightweight swivel hose is included, or you can upgrade to the Quick-Click modular hose. Stealth's low profile is perfect for cleaning under furniture. The Stealth Kit, simply the best from MD Manufacturing.